This is Cathedral Catholic High School. Here, you'll discover who you are and who you're meant to become.
Faith leads everything we do. It's in our spirit, our service, our strength. At Cathedral Catholic, our faith builds our confidence and our community. We grow together physically, emotionally, and spiritually, finding meaning in every challenge and joy in every success.
Knowledge drives us forward. Our classrooms are alive with curiosity and discovery. Our teachers see your strengths, your skills, your passions, and help to strengthen every part of who you are. It's learning for intellect and heart.
Character defines us. We celebrate integrity, courage, kindness. Traits that shape leaders, people who aspire to make a difference in the world. You'll find yourself through challenges faced, friendships formed, and the values that guide you.
Responsibility gives our values power. It's the reason we serve, the reason we lead, the reason we give back. From the beach cleanups to global projects, we're making waves for good, harnessing our skills to make a difference in the lives of others.
Faith, knowledge, character, responsibility.
This is Cathedral Catholic High School.